So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the dolly zoom using the Mini 4 Pro. I'm using my RC2 controller. Now you can use any drone that's got Waypoint. Anyway, over the years, DJI, I think if you bought the Mavic Zoom at the time, that's going back a few years, they actually incorporated that into the app. Why they haven't carried on, I don't know. I think a lot of people like it. They must know that because obviously the recent DJI Flip, you can do like a selfie dolly zoom. I don't think it's very good, but anyway, I'm going to show you another way. What I will say before we get into it, guys, it won't happen straight away. It's all about experimenting, and you're going to understand that later on in the video when I explain about how fast the drone's going and also the distance. But shall I get on with it now? So the first thing you need to do, guys, before you get even the drone up in the air, you just need to do something in the settings. So we go over to settings, we go over to camera, and then we scroll down till we get to grid lines. Now I've already got the cross on, but I think also it's helpful to have on the lines as well. So that's done. So when you look on the screen now, because you do need to get it set up just right, I will explain later as well, because when you do the 2 waypoints, you need it to be virtually exactly the same. If it's a little bit off, then you won't get that effect properly. But anyway, we've done that. Next thing we need to do is get the drone up in the air, all to take off.
Take off.
Right, so that's done.
Updated.
We'll just bring that drone up a little bit more. Let's just get that right. That's perfect. I'll then apply waypoints, and then I'll press C1 button. So that's number 1. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the drone back. And we won't touch the settings until we got the drone back. I'm going to take the drone back a little bit further. Okay, that'll do. Right. And now apply the C2 button again. C1 button. Right, so you've got 2 waypoints. Okay, so the drone's out there. We don't have to worry about the drone for the moment. So what we do first, we go on to number 1. We then go down to the bottom and we need to start recording. Have to be so careful when you touch the screen, guys. Right, the next thing we need to do is the speed. So we go to settings on that. Now I bring mine up to about 12. So that's done. We then go over to waypoint 2. We will just check the speed first. The speed's been set, so that's good. We then need to go back into that again, and we scroll along. Right, we can do 4 times. And also we need to sort out the camera to camera action, start recording. Okay, so all that's done now. That's it. That's how quick it is. But like I said before, it's trial and error. So we go back. We're going to press next. We're going to press go. So what's going to happen now? The drone's going to come back to where waypoint 1 is. Now it's virtually where it should be. There it goes. It's just zoomed in. Now you can see the back coming up. And that's it.
Return to home.
Obviously, I think because it's only what we're talking 3 or 4 seconds. I think the further you go back, you start to lose it. But you just saw that effect. So I'm just going to let the drone land a minute. and then we just have a quick summary. And if you want to view this, instead of going all the way back home and looking at the computer, you can do it straight away. Well, I've noticed it's still recording. Why is it recording still? God. I'm sure I pressed stop record. Right. Anyway, we'll just do this shot again, which is this one here. Right. So that's it. That's the shot. Now, for some reason, it didn't stop recording. Now, I'm going to go back and check on that in a mo. Anyway, I can come out of that. Right, because the waypoints are still on at the moment, I can just press on that. I can save without saving, or I can save and exit. So I'm going to save and exit that. I'm then going to go back into waypoints a moment and check the menu, well, history as they call it. Okay, so we're going to have a quick check of this one a moment. Alright, and I'm going to go back into waypoint 2. Okay, so I've still got, right, so stop recording. Okay, I can put that back. Now, hopefully, because I've already saved that mission, if I do next and go, it should just, after start aircraft will automatically take off. Right, so, because I've done it from the ground, so this is already set up.
Home point updated.
Okay, so it's just going to set itself up on waypoint. So that's another thing. I mean, that was my mistake. I didn't put on there on waypoint 2 to so there it is. You can see the background coming out there. So it was a little bit too far, but you got the idea of the effect. I mean, I can show you, obviously, I will show you the original footage, but I just want to show you again that you can view that footage quite simple. The drone's stopped in the right place, which is good. So if I press the record button on there, that will take you straight into it. This is the latest one, so it's 12 seconds. There it is, that's the effect. Quite happy with that, to be honest. And this bit here is obviously because I made it go a little bit longer. But anyway, that hopefully is giving you an idea. Now, obviously, the other thing you've got to remember, guys, is just knock off the waypoint thing. Save and exit. Yeah, I'll keep that one for another time. That's it. So, like I said, it's all about trial and error. It's never going, even for me, it's never going to happen the first time. I mean, I think the last time I did a video on this, it took me loads of times. Now, thankfully today, it's not too windy today. So it's always best, don't do it on a windy day, guys. Even though the Mini 4 Pro can do pretty well. But anyway, I hope you found that useful and helpful. That's the main thing. And I'll catch you on another video very soon.